We're going tomorrow, not today.
Oh, I know that.
Ay, yan pala labas mo. Shit. Wait for this one. Relax. Are you in a hurry?
Yeah.
Let's go with the...
What?
Let's have the... Hey, you want that? Silicone,
The top one?
you do it, bro?
Yeah. The top? Yeah. Silicone the top, and there was a couple little tiny spots that someone missed. I don't know who it was. I got it.
Yeah. Before and after. Before and after.
A full piece of yeah, 100%.
Should be good. Okay, I think it should be good. Oh, there's a dent in this. What's that? Be good.
Huh?
Hey,
Bruh.
be good.
Gotta get TikTok famous somehow.
Oh, you're TikToking?
Could you imagine if we started a TikTok for Silvertech?
Yeah.
Huh?
Baliktad pala itong hayop ito. Baliktad na. Baliktad na ng Mark dito.
Lagi yung malapad. Dito.
Ha?
Lagi yung malapad sa side dito.
Nasa side?
Tatanda mo na. Lagi yung side dito. Sa bawal na to. Yung malapad. Sa maglalagay ng pintuan. Ang dama yan.
Baliktad talaga. Pull. Okay. Yung muna sa side ulit. What? Oh. Yeah. Kabila din ulit. Okay, good. Next panel na. Hello. Talagang yung nilabas nyo to? Nilabas nyo? Ano? Yung talaga?
Oo, kasi kung...
Ha?
Oo, sige po, kung kayo. Pangito yung
Bruh.
Before and after.
Iyo.